Do you feel like your Instagram posts are getting lost in the feed? Looking for a way to connect with your audience in a more creative, engaging way? Look no further than Instagram Story ads. These short, full-screen experiences offer a unique opportunity to grab attention, spark interest, and drive results for your brand. But with so much to consider, where do you even begin? The first step is utilizing different means to make the most of your Instagram. I'll guide you through the process. To begin, open Instagram, but don't log in. Instead, head straight to the Meta Business Suite. This suite allows us to manage our business activity on Facebook Messenger and Instagram all in one place. Go to facebook.com/business/tools to access the Meta Business Suite. Sign in with your Facebook account and click Get Started. Once in the Meta Business Suite, I'll focus on my Facebook page. I currently have one customer, Camera Kicks. My goal is to connect my Instagram account to my Facebook account so I can manage both from the Meta Business Suite. While Camera Kicks is already enabled, I need to enable Instagram. To do this, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Settings. In the Settings menu, focus on the Business Account Information section. You should have a business account set up here. If not, you can create one for free under Business Assets. From there, you can add a new account. As you can notice, I have multiple Instagram accounts, and this is one from another account. I aim to include a new asset, specifically an Instagram account. I'll select the Instagram account and proceed accordingly. Agree to claim the Instagram account, then sign in to your Instagram account as usual. After swiftly signing in, confirm to retain the account. Once successfully signed in, it should appear in your business asset portfolio. Next, navigate back to Settings. In the Settings menu, focus on the section labeled My Business Settings and Ad Account Settings. To run ads on Facebook or Instagram, you need an account, and it requires editing. Access your Ads Manager to create the account. If you already have a business account like Camera Kicks, no need to create a new one. However, you can create one for free in your business account settings. With the account set up, utilize the business assets to create ads. Access the Ads Manager, where you'll find various tools for ad creation. If you encounter a deactivated ad account, reactivate it by completing the necessary steps. Ensure you have a payment method to activate the ad account. Once done, return to your active account and begin creating your first ad. If you find the process confusing, open a new tab and navigate directly to the Ads Manager. From there, proceed to create Facebook ads. Select the active account and click Create to begin. So, I'm going to close this for a second here. Let's go with Create. And here what you want to do is to choose a campaign objective. Since we are dealing with some Instagram, maybe you want to reach some followers, maybe you want to let people go directly into a website, or you want to receive more messages into Instagram. So, what I wanted to do is to choose, let's say for example, more engagement. We have a selection of 4 effective tools here, such as Messenger and WhatsApp sequences, which are ideal for boosting sales. In my case, I'm keen on enhancing engagement and fostering continuity. Opting for a campaign setup allows us to tailor and streamline the process of manually building our campaign. While there's an option to optimize the campaign for growth and value, I believe manual control is the most effective approach for engaging the campaign. Selecting manual control, proceed to continue. Here, you'll name your campaign. For instance, let's call it Instagram Publish for clarity and organization. This step ensures that your campaign is easily identifiable and serves its purpose effectively. Now, we are now special ad categories because we are not employment, we are not something about political selections, we're not related to any of that. So, don't focus in here. Now, into the buying type, choose auction. Here, I want to enable the engagement for tools. And the campaign spend limit is going to be helping me to don't pass my spending budget. So, just focus into next. And this is the part where you wanted to add the actual set name of my actual ad. So, in my case, what I want to do is to go with, let's say, for example, tire number 1 Instagram. And then we have the combinations, locations. What I wanted to do is to choose get people to watch a video on Instagram. For the post, get people to engage with your website. The decision entirely rests on your preferences. In my case, I aim to increase the number of messages on my Instagram account. Thus, I opt for this option. Click on Message. Here, you'll find your Facebook page. Enable only your Instagram account to avoid charges on your Facebook account. You can decide whether to advertise on WhatsApp and Facebook later. Remember, the same ads will run on all these platforms. Focus on maximizing conversions. Leave the bid control as is. Now, adjust the budget from daily to lifetime. This budget allocation seems suitable for achieving the desired outcomes. Here is the start day of the schedule. Just leave it like that. Now, if you're into the audience, you wanted to focus into a specific audio list, for example, they're going to only focus into Mexico and ages from 18 to, let's say, only 32 or a little bit less. And the estimated daily results are going to be appearing a little bit less, but I'm going to be earning more results. And lastly, you choose the language and go into Next. And here, this is the part when you wanted to actually see how it's going to be looking, your ad. So, what I want to do is to choose a single image or video. Here is the medium. Let's go for add a video. I wanted to choose, let's say for example, I'm not picturing maybe this one. Hit into Next. And this is how it should be looking, my actual recommended ad. Here into the primary text, let's go for click here. Now, the headline, type with us the call to action center messaged. Let's envision how this process unfolds. Tracking events allows us to monitor how people engage with our content, but for simplicity's sake, I'll bypass that for now and focus on creating my first Instagram ad. Here, you can preview how the ad will appear in feeds, stories, and Instagram Reels. If everything looks good, proceed to publish, and Facebook will handle the rest. Typically, it takes up to 24 hours for ad approval, ensuring compliance with legal regulations. That's the straightforward process for launching Instagram ads using the Meta Business Suite. While you could do this directly within the Instagram app, it might be easier but potentially more costly than utilizing the Meta Ads Manager. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your ad campaigns and maximize your return on investment. Businesses seeking to engage audiences and generate significant engagement must progressively utilize the power of this dynamic advertising platform. Instagram story ads are a great way to increase the visibility of your brand and get new customers. Because of its immersive and eye-catching format, it provides an unmatched opportunity to engage with customers powerfully and naturally. If you have understood this, using a social media management tool to incorporate AI in your strategy can be a plus. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Hopefully, I can see you on a next video. And thank you so much, guys. I'll see you next time.